What is up, everybody? Today I'm doing a video, shocker. But I've been gone for a minute. Long story short, I went to PCC, transferred, because I kind of didn't really want to stay there anymore. Then my family moved to Arizona, so now I'm in Arizona living in my new house, and I will be going to GCU in the fall. So that's basically what happened. But in today's video, I will be doing 2 feed-in braids. This is pretty much what my hair's been looking like, but I wanted to do like a nice little protective style because I don't want my hair like this right now. This is not, disclaimer, this is not a tutorial or anything like that because I am not a professional in any way, shape, or form, and I'm also still learning. So I'm just going to be showing you my installation of my 2 feed-in braids. So if you want to see me do that, then stay tuned.
Be in the car listening to.
Okay, first thing we have to do is blow dry. My hair is completely dry right now though, so. Oh, I'm talking, dang.
No, we need the rack.
Don't take her clothes off the rack then.
Yep, it had to happen.
Back to business now. Can't catch a break. So what we're going to do is blow dry the entire head. But my hair is already dry, so we gotta spray it down a little bit. Also, I'm not straightening my hair for the year of 2020. So we're using cold air because my feet, at the very most, maybe like warm. Look at my hair, it's so big. I'm going to section it off right here.
Put a finger down if.
So we're all blown out.
Really?
It's time to get braiding. Let me explain. See, so I needed to step outside the box from my last set of braids. So I got this color, this copper color, but I got some black, so I'm gonna mix it in there so it's not so crazy looking. So I'm gonna mix some of the black in with this copper color. Usually I use like 2 packs of hair, but I got 2 of the copper and some of the, and 1 of the black just in case. But now it's time to get braiding. Brianna's gonna help me part my hair, right?
Yeah.
Help me part it.
Stop. You already know about the help. Looking all ugly and stuff.
So today I will be using Shine and Jam. And then I guess I use this sometimes just to slick it down, the flyaways, and I also use it for my edges. So there we go. That's what I use. Moisturizing Healthy Edges by Care, Curl Essence. I don't know. And then I will be using this random foam that we bought. I don't know where you get any kind of foam for when we're done. So I put all my hair on the rack. Some of the packs, the orange colored hair pack, seemed a little bit smaller than what I thought. So I mixed some of the black that I bought with it. I didn't want to put as much, but I kind of didn't have a lot in there. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like. I have black hair, so towards the beginning I didn't put as much black hair in there because I have my own. But towards the end where it starts to get longer, I added more black. So I'm going to get started. baby. Nice. Okay. Do you want to get out? So it's the next day. I pretty much finished my braids, but the thing is, I tried to curl the ends last night. So I gotta fix them. I'm going to try to boil them for the second time, see if they turn out any better. Let's make a trip to my kitchen. We're boiling the water now, but this is pretty much how the braids look so far. Still not perfect, but they still look pretty decent to me, especially because this is my second time. So we just curled the ends up. We're going to boil. So this is the final result. My hair is up to the hips or something like that. So this is the final product. How do I look? How do I look? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like doing hair, so maybe I'll do more hair stuff, do anything really. Sorry, this isn't like a tutorial situation thing. I couldn't get the best angles, and I was also kind of busy and cramped in my little bathroom. So it was really hard to kind of explain what I was doing. Kind of just wanted to show you guys. This is kind of like a progress thing for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.